Looking for the perfect running shoes to boost your performance? Whether you're hitting the track, pounding the pavement, or exploring trails, the right shoes make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best running shoes that combine comfort, support, and durability to keep you moving strong. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the On Cloudsurfer. Meet the On Cloudsurfer, where comfort and performance collide. Inspired by elite race shoes, its engineered woven upper delivers a seamless, breathable fit that feels weightless. The Cloud Tech Phase midsole, paired with Helion Superfoam, transforms every stride into a smooth, bouncy ride. Its agile rocker at the forefoot gives you that extra push to propel forward with ease. Plus, with eco-friendly recycled content, you're not just running, you're making a positive impact, light, cushioned, and incredibly responsive. The Cloudsurfer is perfect for runners who crave speed, comfort, and style. More agile, more dynamic, more get up and go. At number 4, we have the Under Armour Men's. If you're looking for a shoe that delivers both power and versatility, the Under Armour Charged Assert 10 is a winner. Built with a lightweight mesh upper, it keeps your feet cool while offering lasting durability. The charged cushioning midsole converts impact into explosive energy, so every stride feels effortless. Its solid rubber outsole covers high-impact zones, ensuring durability without extra weight. Ideal for runners who love a mix of comfort and support, this shoe adapts to daily training or casual wear. With its perfect blend of cushioning, breathability, and stability, the Charged Assert 10 keeps you moving with confidence. At number 3, it's the Hoka One Clifton 9. Takes lightweight cushioning to the next level. Known for its legendary comfort, this latest version is even lighter and more responsive. Perfect for both short jogs and long runs. Its plush EVA midsole absorbs impact and reduces fatigue, while the early stage Meta Rocker design keeps you rolling forward smoothly. The engineered mesh upper offers breathability and a snug, supportive fit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marathoner, the Clifton 9 delivers the right balance of softness and speed. Comfortable, reliable, and stylish, it's a go-to choice for runners who want to protect their stride. Runner-up at number 2 is the Brooks Men's Adrenaline GTS 24. When it comes to stability and support, few shoes beat the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 24. Designed with guide rails technology, it gently aligns your stride and helps prevent unnecessary movement, making it perfect for runners who need extra support. The updated cushioning ensures a softer, smoother run while staying durable for miles. Breathable mesh keeps your feet cool, and the modern fit hugs your foot without feeling restrictive. From everyday training to long-distance runs, the Adrenaline GTS 24 balances comfort, control, and performance. If you want dependable support that doesn't compromise on speed or style, this is your ideal running partner. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Brooks Men's Cascadia 16. For runners who love adventure, the Brooks Cascadia 16 is the ultimate trail companion. Built tough, it features enhanced traction that grips rocky, muddy, or uneven terrain with ease. The ballistic rock shield protects your feet from sharp obstacles, while DNA Loft V2 cushioning softens every step without sacrificing responsiveness. The flexible grooves in the midsole allow smooth transitions across rugged surfaces, giving you both stability and agility. Lightweight yet durable, this shoe adapts to all kinds of trails. Whether it's a steep climb, muddy path, or long off-road journey, the Cascadia 16 is built to keep you running strong. And there you have it, the top 5 running shoes built for speed, comfort, and adventure. From everyday training to rugged trails, these picks deliver unmatched performance. Which one hits your needs best? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.